Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the AC repairing. Now I will show you how to AC repair for Coral Spring FL. So click it down and go to this site. This site show will you how to air conditioner repair Coral Spring FL. So this signs to show you how your AC will be repaired. The most common signs that indicate your AC will be repaired included: your AC is not cooling your space, your air conditioner is blowing hot air, your AC unit is leaked fluid, also known as refrigerant, your air conditioner is making strange noises, your AC broken or frozen oil, the thermostat of your AC unit is broken, there is unusual outdoor coming from your AC unit. Now, trusted residential air conditioner repairing services. First of all, duct cleaning involves your inspecting of all air ducts with your home. Ensure that you are not blocked with a buildup that is prohibiting cool air produced by your AC unit from flowing through your home. AC tune-up allows our team is maintained to health of your system by inspecting and tightening up your AC system. However, we can AC tune up for determined by what we find during the assessment. AC tune up should be conducted regularly in areas like Coral Springs FL where your AC unit is consistently running. This also allows to address immediate concern with a quick AC repair when necessary. Now next is AC installation. AC installation is your best services because it allows our team to carefully remove your existing AC unit and install a new one in a timely manner. We will always help you to choose a new AC unit that first best your home or business. We know that it is not easy to go without air conditioner in a Coral Spring, which is why our AC installation services require too little to no downtime. Should your existing AC have problem or was installed poorly by your previous service provider, you can be sure that AirPros can help remedy the issue with your trusted AC repair services. Now we discuss about work with your trusted Coral Spring FLAC company. If you are looking the most trusted AC services in Coral Springs, Florida, contact Airports. We are passionate about their consulting services. We provide the communicates with work within. We will always provide you with an AC repair other services that meet the needs of your home businesses. To learn more that repair services, call your friendly staff, schedule appointment time. Now one missing chance is this is a site that can be your help out for the AC repair. Now this is contact number, schedule services. Now to put on schedule services, you check on the schedule and you are permanent. Now that is scheduled and the offers that will be the site is provided. The first offer is $59 is every month full system health, test amps and voltage, safety device and check. Second is $14 per month. Third is free diagnostic system. And fifth is financing option available. Now that have a contact number 754-254-4414. Now you can go to our blogs to get out more input and financing and contact us. Now let's another topic that will be Best AC Repair Phonics. Go to this site. That is bluewave.com. That is the services that 0% financing up to 60 months on a new units, $99 AC tune-up UPS per unit, $199 deduct cleaning, $99 annual maintenance purity and protection, and $199 annual maintenance purity and protection plus, and 50% off a mini split and 50% off new units. Now some benefits: lower utility bills, improves comfort and air quality, extends life furnace heater, and prevents ultimately breakdowns. Now this is our some services that is provided, and that is air connecting to AC repair, commercial AC repair, AC maintenance, AC installation, AC equipment, AC deduct cleaning, AC deduct sealing, dryer vent cleaning, AC maintenance package, and deducts mini splits. Heating is provided of furnace repair, furnace maintenance, furnace installation, furnace equipment, heating deduct cleaning, heating deduct duct sealing, furnace maintenance packages. Emergency repair option that will be go. Emergency deduct cleaning with trusted certified technician available 7 days in a week. Fast emergency repair satisfaction is granted. And this site is available to 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. This is our address to 2350 German Road, and this is the site mail. You can contact us. Now we discuss about the third topic of our AC repair, that would be air conditioner repair with Weatherford TX. Go to this site. Sorry, the net is very slow, taking some time. We go to the another site. That site is all the selling and purchasing events. Sorry, let me down. This is our services part, schedule services. Go to this one. That's it. A special benefit of our customer, we purchase the vehicle from Swell. We are pleased to offer pickup and delivery for our vehicle to schedule. This is our company call lineup 817-572-9001. And go to the more option. Visit to the swellcollision.com. That is address to 5315 Bennett Infinite Road, TX, and this is our number 76132 817-370-3146. We are offering to the 7:30 to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday, Saturday 7:30 to 5 p.m. and Sunday will be off. So now I think viewers will be understand how to fix our AC and how to fix our problems with AC disconnections. So we will be back another video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.